Hi friends, today we will install Maven on Amazon Linux 2. Okay, the prerequisite is we need to install Java 1.8. Okay, let's start the installing Java first. Okay, let me launch the instance. Maven. Amazon Linux. I'm taking Amazon Linux 2. If you click here, I will select this Amazon Linux 2. Okay, Amazon Linux 2. Okay, next instance type is t2.micro. It is a free type, eligible, 1 CPU and 1 GB memory. Okay, let me create one key pair. Create new key pair. My keys. Create key pair. Next, I will directly click on launch instance. Instance is getting launched. It's successful. Let's go. Scroll down. View all instances. So instance state is running. Click here. Copy the public IP here. Let me open mobile extension here. Mobile extension. MOBA mobile extension. Open. Okay. So let's click on session. SSH. Paste the public IP here. Specify the username. EC2-user. Advanced SSH settings. Use private key. Click here. We created my keys today. My key is 16.10. Select this one and open. Click on OK. Accept. Okay. Now let's start the Java installation. First, step 1 is Java installation. Sudo yum update-y. Okay. Next, install Java here. Java 1.8. So Java installation is completed. Let's check the version. Java-version. So OpenJDK version is 1.8. Okay. The next step is we need to create the environment variable. Okay. Let's create. Enter. Come down. Insert mode. Just copy these two comments. Copy. Okay. Now save it. Escape : WQ. Save and quit. Okay. Next, run the source bash profile. Enter. Okay. Now we have installed the Java and environment variable also we have created. Now we will install the Maven. Before that, before installing Maven, we need to create the Maven repository, like add the Maven repository. Sorry, copy these two commands, execute here. Okay, after that, install Maven. Copy this command and install Maven. Enter. So Maven is installed. So next is what we need to verify the installation. Like we need to check the Maven version. The command is mvn-version. So what is the Maven version? Apache Maven version is 3.5.2. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel.